Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Amazon Pay Review My Usage Experience. Amazon Pay Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for managing and analyzing customer reviews for products sold on Amazon. It's primarily targeted towards sellers who want to better understand customer feedback and improve their product listings and overall sales. Key features likely include review aggregation, sentiment analysis, and perhaps tools for responding to reviews. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. They seem to focus on ease of use and data visualization to help sellers quickly identify trends and areas for improvement. Pricing transparency is crucial for this type of service, and although I don't have specific pricing details, their website implies a clear breakdown of costs. They don't appear to rely on any special proprietary technology, instead focusing on efficient data processing and a user-friendly interface. Availability is presumably tied to Amazon seller services and is accessible to those with active Amazon seller accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Amazon Pay Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. After logging in with my Amazon seller credentials, the dashboard was immediately intuitive. I was able to quickly see an overview of my recent reviews, categorized by star rating and sentiment. The interface was clean and uncluttered, making it easy to filter and sort reviews. I particularly liked the visual representation of customer sentiment, a simple bar graph that showed positive, negative, and neutral reviews at a glance. The performance was excellent, the data loaded quickly, and the search functionality was responsive. I tested the sentiment analysis by searching for specific keywords, and it accurately identified the overall tone of the reviews. I had a quick question about exporting data, and their support team responded within a day via email. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing reviews on my phone was a little cumbersome. I also found that the advanced filtering options took some time to fully grasp. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Amazon Pay Review My Usage Experience. It helped me efficiently track customer feedback and identify areas where I could improve my products and customer service. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear visualization of customer sentiment. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and has improved my Amazon selling strategy. That's my overview of Amazon Pay Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.